Welcome to No Fear Cooking and Happy Easter. I am going to show you what we are having for Easter. We're going to do lollipops, lamb lollipops, the chops, and it's going to come in a section like this. I'm going to salt and pepper, a little bit rosemary we have, a little bit olive oil, and once we put them in the oven, in the air fryer today. I still love my air fryer. I love them. It's so easy. Oops, a little bit dusty there. It's so easy for us, for family, for even young ones. So lollipops are very nice to eat just like that. It's going to be very flavorful, a little bit fat on here. You will love it. And this is going to be a big help with the air fryer. So let's go right into how I'm going to do our lamb chops lollipops. I'm going to put a little bit olive oil and just maybe on one side. I'm going to leave some without. Somebody in the household doesn't like to have olive oil on their meat. It's plain, right, Nathaniel? And this is going to be directly pepper. This is a great job. It's so easy. Before I put the pepper, let me start the air fryer. I want to warm it up a little bit. Just 2 minutes or a minute. Let's start with, what do we want to do? Air fryer, we'll leave it to 390. I'm going to match the second door, so we'll have both of them the same way. Let's close them and start them. This is going to be a wonderful Easter, everyone. You have your family, you have your friends, and you're going to want to do something a little bit easier, faster, delicious. So this is the one that I think you'll be a winner with that. Oh, pepper. Let me wipe a little bit here. I'll wipe them all. As much as you want on the pepper. Salt the same. If you have time and you want to do them a little bit earlier, go and do a little bit, it will be easier on you. Let's turn them around. I am so excited about this Easter, and we're going to have some family, we'll be together, and that is going to be so nice to have these lamb chops. You know, even young children like the lamb chops. I'll tell you what, our neighbor, they said he's only 2 years old, Miller, and he loves already to eat the lamb chops, especially when you do them this way, like the lollipops. It's so easy to hold and to bite into, eat. Okay, a little bit more pepper on both sides, and I think my air fryer will be just about ready. All right. Now, and then we'll come back to show you how I do mine. It's just nice and warm. Let me open the doors. And I'll go 4 minutes on one side, 4 on the other one. So let's start with this one like this. Let me see. I'm going to do the oil ones on one side. And you know, if it's not perfect, just rearrange them with your hand. Will be good. So the one with the oil is on, is the olive oil. Let me do the other ones. And these ones I'm going to put them this way. They'll fit a little bit more inside there. And it's perfect. And I even have room for this little one here. So let me start it. And I'm going to put Alexa for 4 minutes. 4 minutes goes on. We are back, and 5 minutes went by, but I stopped this at 4 minutes. And let's turn the chops around. Very easy to turn, very nice. And again, you're not going to make a lot of mess with the air fryer, and probably that's why I do love them. And I do not like to grill outside. I don't have a grill. So let me turn these ones also. And on the second one, again, if you like to leave them 4 minutes or 5, it's okay too. Oops, I have to go with my hand because it's very hard to get in here right now. direct them, all of them. Perfect. They all fit nice. Let's go back to 5 minutes this time. 390. Is it 390? Yes. 5 more minutes. And meanwhile, let me show you what I did. It takes a little practice to learn how to cut them. So when I unpack it, you go right here and look where is the bone. It's a little bit intersection, a little bit easier to cut them. Do you see here? So let's cut them right there. See? It's a little bit area that is the joint. So let's go right there. Otherwise, it's very hard. And also, not just that, please sharpen your knife right before you start. Very important to have a very sharp knife. And look how easy it is, right there. If I can do it, you can do it. Right, Babette? What do you think? Yes, and happy Easter to all of you. Have your family have fun. Happy, healthy, terrific Easter time. And look how nice we can cut them, just right here in between. The first time I cut them, I was trying to go this way, and it's very hard to go this way, very. But if you go from the beginning, where is the joint, and look at these beautiful chops. And I'm going to show you one more secret. Once we are done with the air fryer, I'm showing to you how we're going to give a perfect color. You think they're coming right from the grill. So this is done. So very easy, just go ahead, get them. And this is a little bit thicker, but that's okay. We can cut it a bit thinner. I'm going to put this away and I'm waiting for our chops to be done. Back, 5 minutes went by, and this is the secret now to finish your lamb chops. We are going to put them right to a very hot plate for 1 minute each side. Let's stop this. Air fryer job is done well. And look how nice they look. When you use the ghee, it's going to be a little bit tolerant, better to heat. One minute, very high. If you go on the stove, the same thing. They're very high. Once you get them from the air fryer, right in a big hot pan for 1 minute each side. And then they're ready to serve. That's very easy, isn't it? Beautiful. They look so beautiful. Frank, can you put a minute, please? Always ask your family to help. From the oven, some wonderful veggies that you're going to like to have them for Easter. So I'm going to stop right now my pan. They look wonderful, isn't it? Just enjoy them. And I'm having some vegetable with it. I'm going to put one right here like this. I even did couple beans, just a little bit extra something to have, and we'll serve it with some vegetables. They are grilled already. I have even a zucchini. As you see, they are nice and soft. I'll have a carrot, and the plate is ready. And again, let's have them all out because you don't want to have them too well done. You can take them quicker out or leave them longer if you feel like you need another minute. And this is going to be our beautiful Easter lunch, dinner, whatever you like to have. And they are ready right here. I'm just going to leave this here to serve it. And I do want to remind you for the Easter time. If you remember, 2 years ago we did our beautiful coloring eggs in Romania. Everybody does that for Easter. And you cook your onions, right? You cook them well and look at the colors. Beautiful natural color, and then you can play to do some design in it, do something fancy with it, whatever you like to, and then you have them and you say Hristos a înviat, cu adevărat a înviat. And what do we do, Nathaniel? Oh, mine broke. Happy Easter there. What should we say? Enjoy the holiday. I just wanted to show you again. You can do it. The color is beautiful. Enjoy our new chops here, the lollipops. I'm going to start with one right here and have it. It's a little bit hot, but I'm going to try it. Oh my. Wonderful. Salt, pepper, a little bit of the rosemary. Perfect. Happy Easter, and we'll see you next time with a new recipe.